Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Quick Poetry Knowledge, and this is your hostess Mehjabeen. Today I am going to explain the poem Playthings. This poem was composed by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. I have already uploaded a video featuring the summary of this poem. Consider watching that so that your understanding of this particular poem Playthings gets better. And so let's get started with today's explanation. Child, how happy you are sitting in the dust. The narrator or the poet is addressing a small child. He says, child, how happy you are sitting in the dust. You are delighted, you are happy, you are comfortable sitting in the dust outside, playing with a broken twig. That means you are playing with the broken branch, a twig of a tree. All morning you have been playing with this toy. I smile at your play with that little bit of a broken twig. The whole morning you have been sitting there out in the dust and playing with this broken twig, and you seem so happy, you seem so delighted that I find myself smiling at looking at your pleasure. When I watch your pleasure, I find myself smiling. I am busy with my accounts. Now the poet, the narrator, is talking about himself, his professional life. He is saying that on the other hand, he himself, the narrator, he is busy with some other things. He is busy handling his accounts, adding up figures by the hour. So he is busy with mathematical calculations. Perhaps you glance at me and think, what a stupid game to spoil your morning with. And the child perhaps glances at the adult, at the narrator, takes a look at him and feels that the task of calculating, that the task of handling the accounts, it is a very stupid game, it is a meaningless game to the child. And the child must be thinking in this way. That is what the narrator feels. Child, I have forgotten the art of being absorbed in sticks and mud pies. Now the narrator says that as an adult, he has forgotten what kind of happiness sticks and mud pies give to children. Because now that I am an adult, now that I am totally involved with my professional life, handling accounts, I do not know what it is to be contented. I do not know what it is to be happy with sticks and mud pies. I seek out costly playthings. Expensive playthings, expensive items give me pleasure. I seek out costly playthings. I look for, I pursue costly, expensive playthings and gather lumps of gold and silver. And I look for valuable things, things that have materialistic value like gold and silver. These are the things that I am pursuing now. With whatever you find, you create your glad games. Now the poet is saying that the child is happy with whatever he finds. I spend both my time and my strength over things I never can obtain. And on the other hand, the narrator or the adult, he spends his whole life hankering after trying to obtain those things that he can never actually get, which are very difficult, which are very challenging to get. In my frail canoe, I struggle to cross the sea of desire and forget that I too am playing a game. And the poet says that in my delicate canoe, on my delicate boat, I struggle. That means I have to fight very hard to cross the sea of desire. My desires are endless, and as a result, the sea that I am trying to cross, it is an endless one. And I forget that I too am playing a game. And the task of looking for materialistic pleasures, this is also a game, and that it will not last for a very long time. It is a transitory game. It is not going to give me permanent pleasure. This is something that I forget to understand. So this is the main idea of the poem. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to check out my previous video on this particular poem, Playthings, composed by Gurudev Tagore. Thank you so much. Bye.